Everybody, I got a quick free item in the mail to do a video on, so we're gonna see how well it works. Please check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I already took it out of the Amazon package. The box is pretty smashed, but it's a car cup mount holder for phones or tablets. Adjustable to hold for all types of tablet, PC, smartphones, GPSs, PNDs, and PSP devices. Stylish cup mount, connect with gooseneck holder. Fitting to very sized cup holder in your vehicle. 360-degree rotation for desired position. Vertical and horizontal mode. Smart design, grips your phone or tablet tightly, which I already did test it. It does grip pretty tightly. It came with a bunch of these little foam sticky pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm guessing you could put 3 on each side, or 2 on each side. So if you're looking at the mount, let me turn the light on. Yes, you could stick them into this. You could put 2 on each side to make it thicker, I'm guessing. I'm not too sure. This collar right here, you turn this collar and they all come out. They come out pretty far. It does flip, which is pretty nice. I already attached it because it was pretty hard to get on. But it doesn't have a spring in it. You hold this button, these 2 buttons down right here, and you just slide it. And then it also has a spring section at the very end. So that's how wide it is, which looks about, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches. See if I can measure it. It's from the inside to the inside is 6 7/8 of an inch, and if you stretch it open, it goes to 8 3/4 max, and then any size in between, but you don't have to push the button down. If you don't want to, you can just do that. It does fit my Note 10. And it fits it pretty tightly. It's a Note 10. Does have a good grip, and that is with a case on it. An OtterBox case. So this is just an unboxing. Well, not necessarily unboxing. I already unboxed it, but you know, it kind of an unboxing, but I already unboxed it for you guys, so you don't actually have to, you know, watch me unbox it. And we're gonna do some testing on it in vehicle use. You know, see how well it works. And we'll go from there. This will be the first video. So the next video will be small look at it and see what it looks like in the vehicle, and then we'll do a final video where it's my thoughts and review and what I think of it, and what I think it's worth the price that they charge for it. And please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Amazon affiliate links, they don't it doesn't cost you a dime extra, and Amazon gives me a little bit of what you spent. And you know, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.